Hi, sweetheart.
Hey.
Aren't you glad I'm here?
I always have to say things like that.
Because it's Christmas and I just thought that we could do it. Well, I love you. I was thinking we could have a romantic time tonight by the fireside.
I'm kind of tired tonight.
Oh, well, but it's Christmas. It's a special day, and I was just
Heather,
hoping.
I've been cheating on you.
Forrest, I hate you.
It is over between us.
Yeah, you're right about that.
Oh no, she didn't.
How could you?